Hi, my name is Baran, founder of Fides Mortgages, and I'm here with.
Hi, my name is Meet. I'm an underwriter at Fides Mortgages.
Hi, this is Sowmya Vijaykumar. I'm a mortgage underwriter in Fides Mortgages.
Perfect. So, we're going to talk about today how we bring value to our clients and our business partners, and how you guys add value to me as well, overall for myself and my team as well. Let's go around the table and let's start with Meet and say, you want to briefly tell what's your role as a mortgage underwriter? Because everyone thinks, why do you have an underwriter when banks as an underwriter?
So, our role as an underwriter, we work closely with the clients and lenders both. We make sure that when we analyze the deal from our end before submitting it to the lenders, we select the right product, best solution, what is available on the market for the clients, and submit the deal so that we are mostly approved for the deal because we look at the way the underwriters look at the lender side and we get the deal for the client, best solution for them.
So, in a nutshell, how we can put it together is like you pre-qualify the client to choose the right let.
Yeah.
Sowmya, you've been doing this for quite some time with me. Why don't you elaborate what your day-to-day looks like?
Each day it's not the same for us, right? So one day we will be getting a straightforward deal where we will be sending it to the lenders and get an approval even the same day. But the next day, we will be working on a very complex deal, like a B lender for a B lender, where we have to look into their bank statements and see how their cash flow is and looking into the big deposits in their bank statements. And we have to analyze each and everything for complex deals. And more than a lender, the B lender deals, what we work on, it put more time for us. And also when we get an approval and everything is satisfied and everything, we really get satisfied. Okay, we put a lot of work on this deal and it got approval.
It's a
Solution, yeah.
A lot of clients and a lot of partners think, oh, I come to get a mortgage through Warren. Why am I talking to an underwriter?
Underwriters, yeah.
So you want to comment on how we work together,
Yeah.
and what's your role in terms of helping me to find the solution for the clients?
So you bring the client to us and you introduce us to your clients, and then from there we will start working close to the clients, like getting their documents and what are all the additional information we can able to get from the clients. We used to work more close with the clients, and once we get everything and once we get pre-qualified, then we will come to you and say, hey, this client can go up to this much for their purchase price, and whatever the rates at the current time, what the rates we have, we used to qualify with that, and we used to come to you and we will have a conversation with the clients and we will say you can go up to this much purchase price you can go up to. So the initial start is from you, and then we will get the information with the client. We work together with the client, and once we get an approval, we all again meet up and we will talk about the products, the rates, and what is the best product they can go with the lenders. So it's a teamwork.
It's a teamwork.
Yeah.
You nailed it. It's a teamwork. I mean, do you want to elaborate how I'm still, a lot of audience may think, oh, I talk to the client, I pass it to underwriters, that's all it happens, right? So you want to elaborate how I am involved and how you both support me to give the white glove service.
So, just to add what to Sowmya said, want to add one comment like uh, in the market, there are lots of products available. So, once you get us the client and we analyze the deal, then we sit together, we discuss about what is the right product we choose for the client. And then after discussing, getting a conclusion, we talk to the client that, hey, this is the product. We chose that this is a right product for you and is suitable on your, as per your financial needs. And this is how we both, or we as a team communicate with each other before we make sure to go to the client. And that's how we work closely as a team together.
Also make the client know which is like in today's market, everybody will be like want to go with a fixed term, but we have to make them knowledgeable like which is the best product for you for the current market, whether you have to go for a fixed or a variable, and that too when it comes from you, they really go with that.
And the whole thing is a lot of transactions. It's a heavy lifting, and I cannot provide a white glove service without your support. So we work as a team and we collaborate. And as much as you guys help me to do a heavy lifting, I'm also involved in the part, and which I cannot do some of the heavy lifting without a support like both of you, which goes a long way to give the best advice and the white glove service to the client. That's the end goal. We want to make sure the clients get the right advice, and we also want to make sure we give them a white glove service, right? And for them to be trusted as trusted mortgage advisors.
That's correct.
You folks want to share some of the changes in programs or some of the lending criteria recently that came across?
Yeah, the recent thing is like everybody were so excited about this insured product, which we can go up to 1.5 million and for a 30 years amortization. People think that it's like applicable for everyone. Even initially we thought that it's applicable for everyone, but it's not. It's for only for the first time home buyers. They can go up to 30 years amortization, but other people they can
The
go
big
only up to
buckets,
the
yeah.
25 years only.
And
Yeah.
you can only also for the new build as well.
Yeah, even for the new construction, for the first time home buyer, it's a 30 years amortization, not a 25 years.
And you want to talk about what is your day-to-day looks like?
Surprises. And that too, for me, from I think I've been in the underwriting for the past 3 years. So everybody says that Friday is a chill day. Oh, Fridays, I can take a nap. But for me, Friday is a miserable day. Every Fridays I'll be having some kind of challenge.
Got to put some fire down
Yeah.
Fridays.
It happens especially on this Friday on those Fridays only.
It's a surprises comes.
Yeah.
But that's what we are team together to make
Yeah.
sure we get on it and we put the fire down and we move on.
Yeah.
What about you, Meet?
Definitely, there are lots of last minute surprises. But in terms of day-to-day activities and life, we do a lot of follow-ups, communication, and work as a bridge between lenders and the clients. Of course, we keep you in the loop as well and take your guidance whenever needed. That's how we spend our all day working on the deals. Make sure we work from the scratch to the end and gets the deal done according to the needs of the client.
How do you solve the communication barrier between myself and the clients and this and the referral partners?
Me, Sowmya, I know we both are available around the clock. Sometimes it is
Mainly with the referrals, yeah.
sometimes it is even after the hours, and even in the weekends we make sure that whenever the client is available, we are available, so that we can have that communication gap filled in and get the process smooth for clients especially.
What excites you every day to wake up and do this job, Sowmya?
Problem solving excites me actually because initially I will be into so much of stress when there is a stress on client's deal. I put a lot of stress on that.
You take it
Oh,
personally.
yeah, take it personally. But now it's like, okay, I have to calm down so that the client will also calm down, right? So we have to, if we panic and if we are like getting panicked on their on the last minute hiccups or anything like that, and then the client will also get panicked. So we have to be chill and cool and make them. First of all, we have to make them confident that whatever the job we are doing is correct, and we are doing it for their own sake. So the really exciting is this problem solving, and when I see that smile on the client's face that we got an approval which they think they can't get it and we got it, and they say and them saying us a thank you, that
Good.
really excites.
What about you, Meet?
So to add on that part, the most excited part which I feel that every morning is like, helping people. Sometimes there's clients are in a very tricky situation, like they are completely in a situation that they cannot afford things, and when we get at them a right solution and a right advice, they actually feel happy and they thanks us a lot. And this is what makes me feel more excited to work more hard, so that more clients can have stress-free life in terms of their financial situation.
And it's also like more than we crunching the numbers, it's like we are like so happy that when we see them that they achieve the whole home ownership, they achieve their goal.
Yeah, we make
Yeah.
a dream come true.
Yeah, their dream come true. Yeah.
Special first time home buyer.
Yeah.
First time home buyer.
What are the recent changes you're seeing in terms of the process, in terms of the application? Are we seeing, you want to comment about what changes over the last 12 months? We are seeing a lot of home buyers, first time home buyers. I believe we are seeing a lot of home buyers, first time home buyers coming into the market.
Definitely, I want to start on that one. So last quarter of 2024, interest rates came down significantly, and also with the new changes of that first time home buyer rule, a lot of people are nowadays who were not able to get affordability into their budget. They are now getting affordable into the government guidelines and able to get the
The
insured.
30 amortization makes a big difference.
It's a big difference. It reduces the monthly payments, and now people are able to buy the houses which they were not able to afford earlier. So we are seeing a lot of influx in the first-time home buyers criteria, and that really excites us because when we work on it and we get them approved, it's like for them it's like dream come true.
Yeah, especially when they're not too sure about it.
Yeah.
What about you, Sowmya? What are you saying?
Exactly like what he said. And there are like, we are, after the mid of the 2023, we are seeing that there are a lot of buyers in the market, especially the new constructions. It's like, it's really, if when the first time homebuyers have already purchased this new constructions, and now this appraisal value and all those things are there, right? So now
That's a
when
good
they go
point.
to a 30 years amortization, they can really
Afford it.
afford it.
Affordability makes better.
Yeah.
And we're also seeing a lot of issues with the appraisal,
Yeah.
reconstructions and the
Yeah.
condos as well.
That's right. Yeah.
And we're also seeing increase in application for private mortgages and the second mortgages as well for their cash flow purpose.
Mm.
Yeah. Thank you guys for being a part of the team, and thank you for supporting me to give the best service and the solution for my business partners and the clients.
Thank
And I cannot do this without your support, both of your support.
Thank you so much for having us in your team.
Thank you so much, and likewise.
Perfect. Thank you.